Maybe I have bad lungs.
Hey y'all, welcome to Hacker Wack. I'm here with Jordan today. I'm Aisha. Today we're going to be peeling a hard-boiled egg easily and quickly, hopefully, from what this video says. There is a TikTok that I'm very skeptical about, but Jordan, what do you think? I guess we'll just get into it.
Popped one in, mashed the end on this. Ta-da!
And you should see what else she can do.
I feel like this one could surprisingly work. It would be very awesome if it did. It would be a cool party trick. I don't know how much faster it would be than peeling it with your... How fast are you normally at peeling an egg? Like, does it seem like a challenge to be solved for you?
Honestly, the challenge is peeling it clean. You know what I mean? Once it starts falling apart in my hand, that's when I hate it.
And you start getting like small chips at a time and it starts getting everywhere. Well, let's give this a try and see if it works. One side, I'm gonna take some of it off. And I'll show you what mine looks like. So I've got one side with some egg removed. The other side just cracked a little bit.
Mine's a little bit more cracked, so maybe it'll work.
You're just doing it a favor. So now we blow. You ready?
Yeah, I guess so.
Here we go. Did you get it?
Oh my god! That's magical.
I wonder if I have weak lungs. Hold on. Hold
You
on.
can do it.
Okay. I'm gonna try taking out, help myself out a little bit. Cheat a tiny bit. Take out some of the bottom here. And now both sides have a little bit of crack in it. Oh!
Oh! It
Got it.
worked!
Ha! Oh, I got a little bit of eggshell in my mouth, but I thought this might be one that could work. Okay, hold on, I'm hyped.
Wow, proved me wrong at that one. I was very...
Can we do this twice? Then you know it's certified.
I feel like I might have too much cracked on the top of this one, so let's see. Oh! No. Maybe I'm just like an egg hack master.
Egg
It's
whisperer
just like-
right there.
Yeah. It just happens naturally for me, you know? You can do it!
Oh. All right, I think I ruined this egg. I think this egg is a little too smushed. For us doing this for our first time, and we did at least decent results. I don't know. What would you rate this? Would you give this a hack or a whack?
Honestly, I'm gonna say it's a hack. I'm pleasantly surprised.
Is it the most efficient way of doing it? Maybe, maybe not. I feel like this makes a great party trick and a great fun way to peel an egg if ever you actually got good at it. I bet if you were to do this a few times, hell, even the first time that you did it, you were able to do it pretty clean, right?
Yeah, it was really, that was my issue. I wanted it to be clean, and it gave me a clean peel. So I'm pretty happy with it.
Well, TikTok for the win.